Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Philippe Jourget FIF20 Custom here with me for a quick unboxing and review. First of all, I need to thank my buddy Daniel for sending this guy in to check out. And secondly, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So what do we have here is a beautiful example of a custom knife, front flipper, Philippe Jourget design, custom FIF20. This is the pouch it came with. Right under here you've got all the documents and the papers, and nicely placed the logo right over here. Pretty simple. And then what you have is just a pure beauty of a knife. This is fantastic, really cool, very slick. I mean, look at this, guys. How cool is this one? Beautiful lines, nicely done, I have to say. Beautiful carbon fiber, lightning strike carbon fiber with these bronze accents going on. Titanium bolsters and liners and clip, bronze anodized, really cool. Look at this, guys. This is fantastic. This is a nice front flipper. You've got a nice drop point blade, nicely chamfered, hand rub satin, RWL34 steel, super like laser beam slicer. Look at that, full flat grind, runs on bearings, super smooth action, 3D mill titanium pocket clip, carbon fiber back spacer with these angles. I'm loving this design right over here. This is gonna be weighting at 3.6 ounces, made in France. It's gonna cost you around $2,000 right now, but I mean, it's a fantastic one. The action is just really gorgeous, nice and smooth, gliding down like a boss. You can just front flip it like that, or you can just front flip it with your thumb. Anyways, it's gonna be just gorgeous. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.